Have you ever forgotten to take your medication? Has it led to negative side effects for you? A study from the World Health Organization shows that 50% of prescribed medicines are not taken as directed. This is a huge number with respect to the amount of medications people around the world are prescribed to. Individuals who have medical disorders, including mental disorders, chronic diseases, and other health issues, are the ones who are experiencing the most problem when it comes to the lack of taking their medication. It can lead to serious problems in their life and sometimes result in death. One way to protect patients and prevent this from happening is adopting ingestible sensors in their medications. This is something that can be possible through the Internet of Things. According to Google, the Internet of Things is an interconnection through Internet computing devices embedded in everyday objects, enabling them to send and receive data. In the past couple of years, the healthcare industry has adopted the Internet of Things into some of their practices. Through wearable sensors, heart monitors, and other health monitors, healthcare providers and patients can track their activity in real time on these devices. The most recent adoption is ingestible sensors. One company is primarily working with ingestible sensors to address issues surrounding chronic disease management and eliminating the need for endless physical checkups, cutting back on the cost spent per year in healthcare. The next step for the healthcare industry can be ingestible sensors that can record the time and date when a medication is taken and then share that data on a network with the healthcare providers and other family members. This can happen through tiny little sensors being embedded into medication. This would send information to an application on the consumer's phone and would alert providers, family members, and other private personnel who have access to this. The data would be shared in real time and would eliminate some manual work that the healthcare providers and even some family members have to do when it comes to recording this kind of medical data. The healthcare industry currently uses electronic health records to track patient information, including medications, medical history, diagnosis, and much more. It allows for all of those care providers for one patient to access it, along with changing that data. Using the Internet of Things to help get this data in real time can be one step towards decreasing the need to manually enter data in the healthcare field. The way ingestible censored medication will work is once a medication is swallowed and gets into your stomach, it will send in real time the date and time you took that medication and what medication it was that you took. The sensors will be connected to an application that is on your smartphone. The app will consist of a dashboard that has the medication you took and the time you took it. You will be able to use that app to go back to past data and medications along with going on to future weeks without any data. Healthcare providers can update medicines as needed and remove them also. The app will have your personal information along with your healthcare provider's information. This can benefit the industry by having real-time data on patients without having them be in the doctor's office. It can also allow for all of their care providers to monitor their medications without having the patient be present. Although this is something that will have a huge impact on the healthcare industry, there are some risks that need to be taken into consideration when using Internet of Things with sensitive data. The number one risk associated with this kind of thing is the managing and storing of data. This is extremely personal data and can put someone's life at risk if it is accessed or manipulated by the wrong person. There are also concerns with where the data will be stored and what kind of network it will be on. There are also concerns with the connectivity of these devices. With all Internet of Things, there is possibility of glitches and also just no connection at all. There are companies around the world doing extensive research to find the best way to incorporate ingestible sensors and medicine to help progress the world of technology in the healthcare industry. This is the near future of medication and is something that will change our lives for the better.